Welcome to KLBiologyNEET. In body fluid and circulation, today we are going to discuss ABO blood grouping. So in ABO blood grouping studied by LANDSEINER, he classified this ABO blood group based on the presence of antigen. Okay, so now let us see that blood grouping. So this is blood group, antigen, and of course antibody and genotype. So if we consider the A blood group, the antigen will be A only and antibody will be B. What is the genotype possible? It is IA or IA-IO possible. If it is B blood group, of course the antigen will be B and antibody will be A. So genotype will be IA, IB and IB-IO. If it is AB, both the antigens will be present but no antibody and genotype will be IA-IB. O blood group, no antigen but both the antibody will be present and genotype will be IO-IO. As you know, there is no antibody and they are having only antigen. They are considered to be universal recipient. And here they do not have antigen, so they can donate to any number of person or any blood group person. They are considered to be universal donor. Okay, so if you see the RBC, where do these antigens are present? Of course, they present on the surface. If you consider A blood group, for example, the antigen will be on the surface. Possible question, children, like where do we find the antigen on the RBC? Now, if it is B blood group, same way you can find the antigen on the surface. Okay, and AB blood group, both the antigen you can find on the surface, like we have A antigen also, B antigen also. Here there is no antigen on the surface. So this is what the structure. Of course, these antigens, based on that only we classify. Now possibility of getting questions are more in this. For example, you assume the father is having AB blood group, mother is having AB blood group. Which blood group is not possible for the progeny? It's a possible question. And where do we find antigen on the RBC? Possible question. Okay. So like here if you see, of course, when we work out with a checkerboard, IA, IB, what is not possible? A is possible, AA, AB is possible. Of course, AB is possible, BB is possible. So what is not possible? O blood group is not possible for these sort of blood group parents. Now assume another question. Father is AB and mother is B. With which blood group you will say mother is heterozygous in nature? Can you answer your question, children? And also send your queries in the comment box. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, share and support.